Hey everybody, hope you guys doing all right. So, it's I want to talk about the endocannabinoid system. I think I said that right. Because it's a really big deal, and there's not enough information that's being shared about it, and it's inherently hardwired within our bodies and our neurons and our receptors and all this and that, just naturally. So like, there's a reason why we have human beings in particular have a very close relationship with the cannabis plant, and based on our genes, it actually, I mean, it proves that. So, anyways, here you go. I'm gonna share some information with y'all. All right, here we go. The endocannabinoid system, ECS, is a biological system composed of endocannabinoids, which are endogenous, sorry if I mispronounced that, lipid-based retrograde neurotransmitters that bind to cannabinoid receptors and cannabinoid receptor proteins that are expressed throughout the vertebrae, central nervous system, including the brain and peripheral nervous system. The endocannabinoid system remains under preliminary research. Things that are remaining under research like that, when they could have huge implications for well-being, are always a red flag to me. But anyway, moving on here. But may be involved in regulating psychological, and cognitive processes, including fertility, pregnancy, pre and postnatal development. Sorry, it's kind of hard to read sometimes. Various activity of immune system, appetite, pain sensation, mood, and memory, and in mediating, pharmacological, sorry if I mispronounced that, effects of cannabis. The ECS plays an important role in multiple aspects of neural functions, including the control, of movement and motor coordination, learning, and memory. This is why it's so good for neurodegenerative diseases like Huntington's, Parkinson's, Alzheimer's. Yeah, because it realigns your neurons back to the original order. So anyway, just moving on here. Memory, emotion, and motivation. Also good for addiction too, because it's all about realigning getting those bad, unhealthy cells healthy, and keeping them healthy and helping them grow, and addictive like behaviors, and pain modulation, among others. So all right, here we go. Moving on. The two primary cannabinoid receptors have been identified. CB1, first cloned or isolated in 1990, and CB2, cloned in 1993. CB1 receptors are found predominantly in the brain and nervous system, as well as in the peripheral organs and tissues, and are the main molecular, target of the endogenous, sorry if I mispronounced that, partial agonist. And anandamide, sorry if I mispronounced that, as well as exogenous tetrahydrocannabinol, which I think is also short for THC, the most known active compound of cannabis. That's the active part that gets you high, the THC that is, which I think is the tetrahydrocannabinol. So anyway, the endocannabinoid, oh man, another big word, arachidonoglycerol, sorry if I mispronounced that, which was found to be 2 and 3 orders of magnitude more abundant in mammalian brain than as a full agonist of both CB receptors. So as you can see, this is just getting to the very tip of the iceberg. It's very scientific. There's a lot of research that still needs to be done. There's a lot of information. There's a lot going on here that we still don't know, which means this is good news, really, because it's a lot of potentiality for just more growth and health and well-being, and just learning how the human body works, and what works best with the human body, and based on what's already inside the human body. So anyways, all right, I love you guys. Hope you have a good day. All right, bye.